The Abb SENCYCAL FCU400-IR is a process controller which is used primarily in shipboard control systems. This input-output block collects data from temperature thermocouples and, depending on the ranges set, will trigger a relay for some part of an application. This unit came to us severely damaged in the power supply area due to saltwater contamination issues, but we were able to get it rebuilt and power it up again. As shown in the video, we have the entire system powered up and measuring temperatures, which we simulate with a DC power supply. Also shown in the video are the controls being changed with the keypad. This is part of the entire test of this particular unit we always try to perform before anything leaves our facility.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.